coincidence created the largest honey farm in Brazil. But it is not just any honey production. In addition to the farm being gigantic, they managed to simultaneously produce honey, raise high-quality free-range pigs, raise cattle, dozens of donkeys and mules, and much more. But who is this largest honey producer in Brazil? And what coincidence was it that created the largest honey farm in the country? All of this happens on the Piranha Farm, located in the heart of Brazil, in the municipality of General Carneiro, about 60 kilometers from Barra do Garças, in Mato Grosso. There are 34,000 hectares. The farm is larger than the capital of Minas Gerais, Belo Horizonte. There, hundreds of pastures with 10,000 head of Nelore cattle are interconnected by 120 kilometers of roads. But the interesting story began by chance in 1995, when the farmer bought the farm and began raising Nelore cattle. Despite the vastness of the land, he was increasingly enchanted by the natural beauty of the region and decided that he would not open more pastures, but rather restore the areas. To begin his venture, after a simple search on the internet, he decided to invest in planting acacias, trees of Australian origin that capture nitrogen from the atmosphere and deposit it in the earth, which helps to nourish and restore the soil. The next step would be to cut down the trees and sell the wood. However, over time, he discovered that the acacias had much more to offer than he imagined. What he did not expect was that this natural reforestation would attract the attention of thousands of bees. That's when everything changed. After noticing the behavior of the insects, Carlos decided to try an experiment, installing some hives to take advantage of the honey from the acacias. And it worked. In a short time, the property became a reference in organic beekeeping. What was just an environmental recovery action became the flagship of one of the most innovative farms in Brazil. Today, the Piranha Farm has around 100 beehives spread across natural and reforested areas. But don't think that this is just any production. The honey there is 100% organic, certified and harvested without the use of smoke, which is a common practice used to calm the bees, but which can harm the quality of the product. The